Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create a Genshin Impact account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a GenshinImpact.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Genshin Impact, you can see the option of download on top right corner. You click on download. Here you can see the option of login just beside of download. You click on login. As we are going to get a new register in Genshin Impact, we need to click on the link given, that is register now. Here you also can register your Genshin Impact account with your Google, with your Apple ID, Facebook account and also with your Twitter account in just few steps. All the required details to register account on Genshin Impact are fetched from these accounts. As I am going to register by my email address, so go in for providing your email address. Here you need a verification code. For that you need to click on send code. For the verification you need to select this in order. Then you click on OK. Here a verification code has been sent to your given email address. For that you need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Genshin Impact. As you can see, a mail has been sent from the Genshin Impact. You click and open the mail. Here you can see the code. You copy the code. Now go back to your Genshin Impact page. Then paste the code over here. Now you need to go in for providing a password that must contain at least 8 to 30 characters. Now you retype your password for the confirmation. After you provide all the details, you need to click on register. With that, you have been signed up to Genshin Impact account. This is how you can create a new account on Genshin Impact. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how to sign up for a Genshin Impact account. Thank you.